Hello everyone, welcome to ChessVisor. In this video I am going to show you one of the quickest checkmates happened in PokeChamps 2020, and this game was played between Felix and Charles. Please note that both the players are the famous Twitch streamers. In the year 2020, Chess.com started this initiative of hosting the tournament for the top Twitch streamers to make the chess more popular. And before we continue this video, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and also press the bell icon for the instant updates. Let's look at the game now. Felix was handling the white pieces, so he opened the game with e4, king's pawn opening, pawn to e5 by Charles, the typical king's pawn opening by both the players and entering into the open game. Knight to f3, developing a piece and also attacking the pawn on e5. Knight to c6, is defending the pawn on e5, pawn to d4, Scotch game, e captures d4 and then knight captures d4, bishop to c5, one of the best moves in the position. For bishop to c5, white has three main replies, that is to take the knight or drop the knight to b3 to attack the bishop, or you can develop your own dark square bishop to support your knight. But here Felix played c3 to support the knight, and Charles brings out his queen to f6. After queen f6, now white has to be very careful here, because black's queen is not only attacking the knight sitting on d4, but his queen is also x-raying the f2 square for the mating net. But here white did not see what's black's idea, so he took the knight on c6 and blended the game on the spot. So black took the f2 pawn and also delivered the checkmate on f2 square. So what do you think about this game? Please share your thoughts in the comment section, and also don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel called ChessVisor, your wise choice to improve your chess.